Hello, welcome to another episode of DerinsCorner. My name is Derin, and today I'll be showing you how to make delicious fruity popsicles. So this popsicle is so healthy, it's also fun to make, so you can actually make it with your kids, and the most important thing is it is refreshing and it hydrates your body. It's been so hot where I am, so this is actually something that we've made over and over again in my house. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and it's so straightforward. But before we go into the main video tutorial, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, which is that button you're going to be seeing on your screen, and also on the bell sign so you get notified. So for this recipe, I'll be using strawberries, I'll be using pineapple, and I'm going to be using yogurt. So I've just used plain yogurt. If you want to know how to make your own homemade yogurt, click on that link you're seeing on the right side of your screen, and that will take you to how to make your own yogurt from the comfort of your own home. So the first thing I'm going to be doing would be to just put my strawberries in a bowl. I want to clean my strawberries. I'm not sure if you guys have seen the TikTok video that's been making waves on how strawberries are so dirty, and I'm just going to show you guys how true that is now. So I'm going to be soaking my strawberries in water, and I'm going to be adding some apple cider vinegar. You can actually use normal vinegar for this. Some other people actually use salt, but I don't want my strawberry to be salty, so I'm using vinegar instead, and it's apple cider vinegar I've used. So I'm just going to leave this aside and continue with my other fruits. So this is the pineapple. I've shown you guys how to pick a pineapple. You can click on that link if you want to go into the details on how to pick a good pineapple. So that's what I just did now. So I'm just going to cut my pineapple and peel the skin, and I'm just going to cut this into small bits and set it aside. I have my pineapple all cut up. I'm going to put that in my blender cup, and I'm going to just blend this into a smooth paste. After about 30 minutes, my strawberry is ready to go. You can see how dirty the water is. You can see a little bit of insects. You can see those little things that came out of my strawberries. So that's why you have to wash your strawberries before you eat. Just make sure you clean them properly before you take anything into your mouth, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and clean this and remove the leafy portions from the strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my strawberries also into a smooth consistency. next I'm just going to slice some strawberries into thin slices, and this thin slices is just to like decorate my popsicles. So next is to start forming the mold. I'm using my kitten joint popsicle mold. I've put a direct link to the products in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And when you do, if you want to purchase, make sure you use my coupon code DerinsCorner to get extra 10% off. So next I'll just be adding in my blended strawberry and my blended pineapple. I'm not going to be doing it in a uniform manner. I want each popsicle to look different, so I'm just going to be doing different mix for each of the popsicle mold. So there are actually 10 for this particular mold, and I will also be adding in my yogurt, and I will be adding in the slice of strawberry into some of the popsicle mold. Going to go ahead and put my sliced strawberries in some of my molds. I'm not going to be putting it in every of the mold. Like I said, I want a different style, different look for each of the popsicle. So once you're done, just cover it, put in the sticks, and refrigerate overnight or for 24 hours at the minimum. So after about 24 hours, I'm just going to open up my popsicle lid, and I'm going to start bringing out each of that popsicle from the mold. So I'm going to bring out one close to the camera to show you guys. This is what your popsicle should look like. You can go ahead and use any type of fruit you prefer. Just make sure it's healthy. The kids absolutely enjoy this, and it's actually one way to get in their fruits. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share as much as you can, and please leave me a comment and like this video. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a lovely summer and keep hydrated. Bon appetit.